Welcome back to Smok'n Crypto. Quick update for you guys now, as we've shown the bullish side to XRP this morning. So now time to show the potentially imminent bearish move that might be coming for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we'll take a look at the dollar too. So let's dive on into it. Now this morning, Ethereum here on the 1 hour, looking like we're losing strength here on the RSI and a potential drop on the cards here, possibly to the value area low, or perhaps even with this high relative strength level, we could potentially get a drop down here, make a lower low. And if we can keep a higher low on the RSI, I'd be looking out for that bullish divergence with the lower low on price, higher low on the RSI. If we can get that, that's possibly a good entry for a long. Not sure exactly what level though. It's looking pretty mean, so be careful because we could drop a long way. Bitcoin not looking great either. I've got that on the 4 hour there. We see we got this bullish divergence with the RSI coming up and the price coming down. We're seeing some failure here on the RSI. It's still quite low. It's not got a lot of strength. It's starting to curve over. Is it going to keep bouncing like this? Well, maybe, but as you look at the price, it's starting to curve down. You've lost the middle of the Bollinger Band. Might get a little drop here on Bitcoin, so that's looking quite bearish too. So potentially, yeah, could be a drop on the cards for the next few hours, and that of course means that potentially XRP could get dragged down with them. In the last hour or so, we've tried to wick up here to make our move to the upside, but it is now starting to curve off on the momentum just slightly. If we go down a time frame, and you can see we've got a red dot here. RSI starting to curve down, so we're probably going to make another low on the RSI. Can it hold this line that we've got here on the strength? That would be quite bullish if we can. If we see the RSI dip below this level, which potentially we could with Bitcoin and Ethereum dumping, they will drag other coins with them. So yeah, just keep an eye out, but that might give a better entry point for a long on XRP. Question is, does it come down as far as this blue line and bounce from there? That's our big long support line that we've had on XRP for a long time. If I zoom out, the one we talked about before with the multiple confirmations, 1, 2, 3, and then up to the 4th confirmation that we've got up here. So far prices failed to really break through this level apart from this big scan wick. So if we do break through this level, I will be expecting another scan wick, another liquidity grab. If there's too many people leveraging up long here, the market makers are going to want to pull them all out of their positions by shorting it down first before wicking us back up into this box above this line. And then hopefully we'll get to the end of this pattern. We could grind sideways if we lose that strength, and then maybe around the bottom of this falling wedge, we might finally get our breakout with all those bullish signs that are building up around XRP. But could it go straight away? Yes, but I think we've got to keep our eye on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they're telling me it's probably going to take a little bit longer, and not to get in yet, but to wait for this dip and see if you can get a good entry. Keep your eye out for these bullish divergences on the RSIs. Keep your eye on those important levels below. You've got your support line coming in around 0.508 on XRP. Next support level, potentially this 702 Fibonacci at 0.4842, and then of course this line we dropped to before at about 4297ish. Could they drop it below that for a bit more of a liquidity grab, take a few more longs out that we didn't quite manage to snatch before, potentially. So just be careful, and yeah, good luck trading out there. Keep an eye on Bitcoin, keep an eye on Ethereum, and let's see how it goes. You never know. I mean, this could turn around. It's trying to curve up. We've tested the value area low, and usually the next move in a range like this would be to come up and retest this point of control. So can we hold strong here on Ethereum and move back up to that point of control? I kind of hope so, but yeah, let's just keep an eye on it for now and see what happens. And likewise for Bitcoin, see, we got that move to the value area low on Bitcoin, came back up to the point of control, hugged it there, and now we're losing that point of control, which means we'll probably come back down to this value area low at least, and hopefully hold that. But we could potentially, if we lose this whole value area, then we are on our way down, and lower prices are to come. So we kind of want to hold this range. If we wick out and pull back in, that's probably okay. We should then work our way back up, but keep an eye on the daddy Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, because they're going to tell us what the market's doing, and from that then we can work out if we can nail this entry on XRP, and whether to close out the longs that we've got in place, and to try and get a better entry later on. But we should find out soon in the next few hours, so keep your eye on it, and good luck trading out there. Also guys, just having a quick look here at the US dollar index, the DXY, and drawing this trend line from this top through this top down to where we are. You can see we're breaking through resistance at the moment. Now this is going to trade inversely to crypto, so if the dollar does manage to break out here, we're likely to see crypto prices fall. So that would correlate with this pullback that we're seeing. But quite often you do see these breakouts be fake outs. Not sure exactly when we broke. Let me stick it on the daily quickly. Yeah, you can see this trend line. Oh dear, yeah. We've closed last night above the trend line, and we've opened the day above it. Now that is bullish for the dollar, and also we're above the 200 moving average. This is bullish for the dollar. So this could mess up our longs on XRP temporarily. I think the signals on XRP are very strong for the upside, but with what's happening with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the dollar right now, I think there's uncertainty growing on the very next sort of imminent move, and I think potentially we are actually looking at a quick dip before we get our move back up. Hopefully the dollar will fail and come back down here. So things to keep your eyes on. Be patient, and make sure you wait for the right entries. Don't just jump into trades. You know, if you are going to leverage, keep your leverage low, because we could see some volatility here, and we've got some Fed meeting coming up this week, I know, which does cause uncertainty in the market. So be patient is my advice, and be safe. If you do put any trades in, low leverage, tight stop loss. Just don't risk it, guys. Don't risk anything too high leverage right now, unless you're just chucking $5 in and having a bit of fun, a little gamble. But you don't want to gamble when it comes to serious trading. So be patient, and the price does come to those that wait. I mean, we could get a retrace here on Bitcoin, quite likely. I mean, these things, it's only just got in the top half of the Bollinger Band. It does quite often like to roll over back into the bottom half before it can push its way back into the Bollinger Band, let this curve over the middle of the Bollinger Band level out, and once it's sort of horizontal, then we can start thinking about Bitcoin moving up. But this is only the 1 hour chart, so it's not be all and end all, but that 4 hour wasn't looking great either. So yeah, motto of the day: be careful out there, stay safe, and have fun. Catch you guys later. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell for notifications, and we will try and keep you updated on things here on the channel. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay safe out there, guys.